Gold's superior value, a critical analysis of gold versus copper. As a mining analyst with decades of experience, I've often been asked to compare the value of different metals. Today, we'll explore why gold commands a significantly higher price than copper, despite copper's widespread industrial applications. Economic factors. Gold's higher value stems primarily from its rarity and economic role. While the Earth's crust contains about 60 parts per million, ppm of copper, gold exists at only about 0.004 ppm. This scarcity contributes significantly to gold's higher price. Gold also serves as a monetary metal and store of value. Central banks hold gold reserves, and investors often turn to gold during economic uncertainties. This financial role creates additional demand that copper, primarily an industrial metal, doesn't experience. Industrial applications. Copper's primary value lies in its industrial uses. It's essential in electrical wiring, plumbing, and electronics due to its excellent conductivity and corrosion resistance. The global economy consumes about 25 million metric tons of copper annually. Gold, while having some industrial applications in electronics and dentistry, is used far less in industry. Only about 10% of annual gold demand comes from industrial applications. Investment demand. Gold's perceived role as a safe haven asset drives significant investment demand. During economic downturns or geopolitical tensions, investors often flock to gold, driving up its price. This behavior reinforces gold's value, creating a self-fulfilling prophecy of sorts. Copper, in contrast, tends to perform poorly during economic downturns as industrial demand wanes. This cyclical nature makes copper less attractive as a long-term store of value. Cultural significance. Gold's cultural importance cannot be overstated. For millennia, gold has been prized for its beauty and rarity, used in jewelry and as a symbol of wealth and power. This cultural significance adds an intangible value to gold that copper simply doesn't possess. Copper-gold ratio. The copper-gold ratio, which measures the price of copper relative to gold, serves as an important economic indicator. A rising ratio often signals economic expansion, while a falling ratio may indicate contraction. This relationship underscores the different economic roles these metals play. Critical analysis. From a purely utilitarian perspective, one could argue that copper should be more valuable than gold. Copper's crucial role in infrastructure, renewable energy, and electronics makes it indispensable to modern civilization. Without copper, our technological society would grind to a halt. Gold, while important in certain applications, is not nearly as critical to daily life or technological progress. Its value is largely based on perception and tradition, rather than practical necessity. However, in a free market economy, value is determined by supply and demand, not just utility. Gold's rarity, combined with its cultural and economic roles, creates a demand that far outstrips its practical uses. A perfect world scenario. In a hypothetical perfect world where value was based solely on utility, copper and gold might indeed have closer retail values. Such a world would prioritize materials based on their contribution to societal progress and well-being, rather than cultural or historical factors. However, this scenario ignores the complex realities of human psychology, culture, and economics. Gold's value isn't just about its practical uses. It's about what it represents in our collective psyche and economic systems. Conclusion. While copper is undeniably more useful in practical terms, gold's higher value is a result of its rarity, cultural significance, and economic role. This disparity in value reflects the complex interplay of geological, economic, and cultural factors that shape our world. As we move towards a more technology-driven future, it's possible that the relative values of these metals may shift. Increasing demand for copper in renewable energy and electric vehicles could drive its value higher. Conversely, if alternative stores of value like cryptocurrencies gain wider acceptance, gold's role might diminish. Ultimately, the values of gold and copper reflect not just their utility, but our societal priorities and economic structures. As these evolve, so too may the relative values of these crucial metals.
Welcome to the world of geology and earth sciences with Ricardo Voles, a seasoned professional geologist bringing you over 1,000 videos of unparalleled expertise. Whether you're a budding graduate student, an early career specialist, or a seasoned professional, this channel is your gateway to a wealth of knowledge. Explore a vast array of earth-related subjects, including geology, geochemistry, structural geology, and the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning in geosciences. Stay ahead of the curve with our latest content, covering everything from unraveling the Earth's secrets to exploring global geological phenomena. Subscribe now, hit that like button, and share this invaluable resource with your colleagues and friends. Join our growing community of over 1,800 Earth science enthusiasts and professionals today. Unlock the secrets of the Earth with Ricardo Voles, your top resource for all things geology. The future of geosciences is here, be part of it.